Hello friends, today we see the Unit 3 Part 5 Forced Oscillation. The name of the chapter or unit is Forced Oscillation. So in this part we see the bandwidth, quality factor, relation between quality factor and bandwidth, relation between quality factor and amplitude. So first we start bandwidth. Bandwidth, just a minute, I start pointer. The variation of average power P with the driving angular frequency Q is shown in figure. The variation of average power means the power is like this increasing and after that it will reduce. Here it is maximum power, here it is half of the power, maximum power, that is px by 2, and here it is the power resonance. Here we say that it is frequency, angular frequency. The angular frequency vary from 0 to q1 q2 like this. Such a curve is called power response curve. The bandwidth of the power response curve is the difference between the two driving angular frequency at which the power absorbed is equal to the half of the maximum value of the power. Just a minute. The bandwidth of the power response curve is the difference between the two driving angular frequency at which power absorbed is equal to half of the maximum value of the power. So this is one point and this is another point where the power is half. So the difference between these two powers, it is known as q2 minus q1, q2 minus q1, it is known as the bandwidth. The bandwidth gives the sharpness of the power response curve. From figure, the bandwidth of the curve is equal to q2 minus q1, means the difference between two angular frequencies where we get the half of the maximum power, that 2 points, it is known as q2 minus q1. Thus when q equal to q1 or equal to q2, that is p equal to half max, but power, we know that the average power, it is known as half r a square q square. We know that this is our well known equation of amplitude, a equal to f upon under root k by k minus mq square bracket square plus rq bracket square. So just we keep the value of a in this average power equation. The average power equation is half r a square q square equal to half r q square, as it is f. If we make square of amplitude, it is f square, and here the square root will remove in denominator, and therefore in denominator you will get k minus m q square bracket square plus r q bracket square. Therefore average power p equal to half r f square q square upon, here if we take m square common, so m square in bracket k by m minus q square bracket square plus r square q square. As we know that k equal to m omega square, or omega square equal to k by m, therefore here we make like this adjustment. Therefore average power p equal to half r f square q square in bracket m square, k by m is nothing but omega, therefore omega square minus q square bracket square plus r q bracket square. When q is when omega equal to q, maximum power is absorbed. Therefore if omega equal to q, omega equal to q, maximum power is absorbed. Therefore maximum power p max equal to r f square q square. This whole term will become 0 if omega equal to q, and therefore in denominator 2, and we get r cube bracket square, or here we write it is 2 q square r square. So q square cancel, uh, r 1 r will cancel, therefore f square upon 2r. This is our equation number 34. Using 33 and 34 in equation 32. Where is equation 32? This is our equation 32, that is p equal to half p max, or okay, therefore here we say that p one side it is P average power and here it is P max. Therefore average power half R F square Q square in bracket denominator M square omega minus Q square bracket square plus R square Q square equal to half F square upon 2R. Now here R F square Q square M square omega square minus Q square bracket square equal to R square Q square. Here we multiply half to the bracket, therefore you will get F square upon 4R. Now here what we do, first we take divide both side by 1 by 2, or already if we do here it is, if 1 by 2, if we divide 1 by 2 from this side, this 1 by 2 and this 1 by 2 will remove, therefore and F square also we can if we divide by 2F square, then this 2F square, all these things will be cancelled. So here we say that divide both side by R F square Q square upon 2. Therefore here you will get, if we divide both side, then here you will get R F square Q square. Therefore 1 upon M square in bracket omega square minus Q square bracket square plus R square Q square equal to 2F square, because here already we have taken 2, this is in denominator, so it will come to the numerator, that is 2F square, and again 2F square R square 4F square R square Q square. So if finally you will get 1 upon 2 R square Q square. Now here we take the inverse of this equation. So inverse of this equation is nothing but this whole term will go to the numerator. Therefore M square omega square minus Q square bracket square plus R square Q square equal to 2R square Q square. And here if we take this term to the right side, so M square omega square minus Q square equal to R square Q square. Here it is 2R square Q square, and if we subtract this you will get R square Q square. Therefore omega square Q square equal to R square Q square upon M square. Taking square root on both sides, if we take square root of this, it is omega square minus Q square. If we take square root of this, plus or minus RQ upon M. By replacing Q by Q1, we get omega is greater than Q1, that is omega square minus Q1 square equal to RQ1 upon M, and replacing Q by Q2, we get omega is smaller than Q2, that is omega square minus Q2 square equal to minus RQ2 upon M. Now we subtract equation 35 from 36. Subtracting equation 36 from 35, we get Q2 square minus Q1 square equal to R by M, Q1 plus Q2. Here it is, the term is A square minus B square, therefore A minus B, A plus B equal to R by M, Q2 minus Q1. Therefore the bandwidth Q2 minus Q1 equal to R by M. This Q2 plus Q1, this Q2 plus Q2 plus Q1, this term, both term will cancel, and therefore Q2 minus Q1 equal to, you will get R by M. This is the expression for bandwidth of the resonance curve of a forced oscillation. Quality factor. The quality factor of an oscillating system is defined as 2 pi times the ratio of the average energy of the system to the energy on oscillation. Therefore quality factor Q equal to 2 pi average energy stored upon energy dissipated in one cycle, that is Q equal to 2 pi average energy absorbed is E bar, and energy dissipated one cycle is dE by dt, the dissipation suffix dis into T, that is for one cycle, it is shown by T. The average energy stored in a forced oscillator is given by E equal to 1 by 4 A square MQ square plus K. Now here what we do, E equal to 1 by 4 A square, if we take M common from this bracket, M Q square plus K by M. As K by M is nothing but omega square, therefore E equal to average energy equal to 1 by 4 A square M square in bracket q square plus omega square. The energy dissipated in one cycle is given by Pd equal to dE by dt. Therefore, and it is given by half RA square q square. Using equation 39 and 14, equation 38 we get q equal to 2 pi E upon dE by dt into t, that is 2 pi. The value of t is nothing but 1 by 4 a square m q square plus omega square, and dE by dt is nothing but half r a square q square t. Therefore quality factor q equal to, if we simplify this equation, here what we say that qm q square plus omega square upon half r a square q square t, means just we multiply this 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 will cancel. Next one, what happened here, it may be q square minus omega square 2 pi by t. Here it is 2 pi, here it is t, it is q, therefore here it is q. A square will cancel, therefore qm in bracket q square plus omega square upon half r q square t. Here a square is not necessary, by mistake it is written, therefore q equal to, again q will cancel, therefore m q square plus omega square upon 2 rq. At resonance q equal to omega, therefore q equal to, capital Q equal to, that is quality factor equal to m omega square plus omega square upon 2r omega. Omega square plus omega square is 2 omega, therefore 2m omega square upon 2r omega. 2 will cancel, omega will cancel, therefore omega m omega upon r. So this is the equation of quality factor. Relation between quality factor and the bandwidth. We know that quality factor q equal to m omega upon r. Therefore omega equal to r upon m. Here if we divide both sides by m, so omega upon r by m, but r by m is bandwidth. Therefore q equal to angular frequency upon bandwidth. Angular frequency it is shown by omega, bandwidth it is shown by r by m. Therefore angular frequency upon bandwidth. This is the relation between the quality factor and the bandwidth of the forced oscillation. Relation between quality factor and amplitude. The amplitude of forced oscillation is given by A equal to f upon under root k minus m q square bracket square plus r square q square. At low frequency, that is q tends to 0, A equal to f upon k, means this mq square term and this q term will become 0 as q tends to 0. Therefore f upon, you will get k square under root k square, that is f by k, it is equal to f upon m omega square. The maximum amplitude, that is A max equal to f upon r omega. A max upon A equal to A max upon A equal to f upon r omega equal to m omega square upon f, that is m omega upon ff will cancel, omega will cancel, therefore m omega upon r, that is equal to q. Therefore q equal to A max upon A. This is the relation between quality factor and amplitude of a forced oscillation. Greater q, smaller bandwidth, hence sharper is the resonance. Okay, thank you.